Hello William and all the guys at Recoheat. Install completed today. As you will see, nicely tidy, poking out into the room. We're running the hose down through the floor of the hearth, down into the utility room below as the photographs that were sent on Messenger. An interesting little trick that I've done is using this. I can switch the pump on from down below and you will hear the pressure and obviously the air coming through. I can then switch off and we have no pressure. Pump is switched off, so it means I don't have to go to the utility room to switch the pump on and off. I have a remote switch in the living room, so I can just switch it on and switch it off when needed. Thanks guys, looking forward to getting a bit of cooler weather. It's a lovely day today here in Northern Ireland. Looking forward to a bit of cooler weather, not like me, but we'll get it fired up and see how we get on. I'll let you all know. Thanks very much, bye bye.